Current situation, check out the yard. Looking very bad. So this is the before, and I'll show you all the after. Some fish are throwing out here. Let me check out the fish. I'll move all this stuff. So yeah, we're gonna make some soup with whatever ingredients we have. And let's have 4 carrots, so I'm just gonna cut it up and I will just season it, and I might vacuum seal it one time, yes? And then clean all one time. So I'm gonna cut this grass. Like the vibes here. I hope the rain don't come. Beautiful skies. See how this goes. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. I feed him fish. Huh?
How do you get fish?
You wanna help? You wanna help? You wanna help?
No.
No? Yes, guys. That is the aftermath day. I think it's not the best, but it's way better than it was. Kill a good bit of snails too. I can't finish it, I'm tired. I'll finish down so later. I'm tired. We are taking a rest, so I know we're going to be cooking right now. We'll see how that goes. We might cook or we might just buy something to eat. But I'm happy, looking 100 times better. It might last 2 weeks or a week and a half. And it's bigger again. Oh, let me show you something. I forgot to show you guys something so nice. I don't understand my Mediterranean fig. It bear one and it just drop out and then all the leaves drop out. So I don't know what's going on with this tree. It's avocado looking really nice. Mulberry just getting big. I don't know when I get a mulberry. Cassava getting very big. Fig tree on point. Just I should get a nice bunch of fig from this one right in front here. I'm sure by the end of the month. Mulberry tree growing tall. I forgot the name of the soursop. Not bad, catching itself. Peach tree looking healthy. But let's see, planting tree was looking kind of weird, so I get a little bit fish head manure. So we will monitor the tree. But this is the main surprise here, guys. Check it out. We getting our first dragon fruit. I'll pop it back up. First dragon fruit. So very excited about this dragon fruit. You know how to cut this on camera. I hope it doesn't drop out or anything. I'm very excited. Like the crazy tree there. I burst the bucket. So the roots are gonna go down to the ground. Like the vibes there, my little beautiful forest. I love it. I want more trees. I have some sweet potato to plant. Mommy set some sweet potato there. I don't know, feeling too tired, but I really want to plant it. I'll make a bed. She just set it here so it grow the vine. So all I have to do is just take some vines and set it. And it should come. See how that goes. Beautiful. So guys, that would just be. I was going to cook and I get cold in work, so I had to leave everything and come to work. Yeah. Same Jersey, we're cutting grass, you know.